This question is about matrices, and it is an example of the type of question that on the ACT could be one you find difficult or one that is very simple. It says, find the determinant of the matrix, and then we see the matrix here, 4, 3, 2, and 5. The word determinant has different functions within matrix operations, but what we're being asked to do on the ACT will always be to just find that determinant. So let's set this up in a slightly different way just so we can see how to do so. You can name any matrix whatever you want. Often it's called matrix A is equal to, and then let's use a 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 rows, 2 columns, because that's the dimensions of the matrix we have. And if I just change those numbers to be variables, written as letters, I could call this position element A, B, C, and D. This is in position row 1, column 1. This would be in row 2, column 2. But A corresponds to the 4, C corresponds to the 2, so on and so forth. So then to find the determinant of A, so let's just write it like this, determinant of A, which in shorthand notation would look like this. It almost looks like absolute value, but when it's a matrix, that means the determinant of A. And the way that we find that is we take A, row 1, column 1, times D, row 2, column 2, and subtract from that product C, which is row 2, column 1, times B, which is row 1, column 2. So the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is just A times D minus C times B. If we know that, we can then say, okay, I'll call this matrix matrix B. Again, they can be named anything. But if I'm finding the determinant, so it would look like that, then what we do is A would be 4, D would be 5. So 4 times 5 minus C, which is 2, times B, which is 3. 2 times 3. And that's just a simple product, and then you subtract those. Use your calculator if you need to. That's always an option. But 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 2 times 3 is 6. So 20 minus 6 is 14. So the determinant of our matrix, which we chose to call B, is 14. And we can find that in choice D.